Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Wow, I have enough videos to say that now. So today I thought that I will make a YouTube video in which I will turn myself into a wolf or wolfish creature. So the first thing that I'm going to do is actually make a few teeth, because wolf have long teeth, right? So I have this teeth, small teeth, which my sister actually made for Halloween. Okay, this does not focus because it's my phone basically. So I bought these fake nails on Amazon, and I got this adhesive. This is a denture adhesive. It helps to get things stuck on your teeth basically. So what I'm going to do is I am going to use these fake nails and do some of this action like filing and a little bit of nail cutter and make it into this small teeth, which I'm going to later fix onto my teeth using this. So basically I'm going just to make a tooth. I have this, which I'm going to use as an inspiration. So let's do it. I'm going to try and show you. So there are different sizes in this. I'm going to use the one which is supposed to be for your pinky finger, because I feel like that is the smallest one and which will give you the most real looking thing. Using this small one, and I have put it in here, and I'm just going to cut the length accordingly. It's boring. Anyways, I'm just going to do it. I had this one before and this one. Let me just see if they both look equal. Yeah, and we'll fix them later on. So I'm keeping them aside. Let's like dive into doing my makeup as well. So basically for my makeup I have a few inspiration pictures. I'll put them up on my screen somewhere so that you guys can see. One of them is of a guy and one of them is of a girl. I want to, in guys picture there's a lot of highly exaggerated eyebrows. I do want to exaggerate my eyebrows, but not as much. I want to do what is done in this girl's picture, and I want to do the nose contour kind of thing that is done in this guy's picture, and also bring out hair from the side. I really like that. Have black lips, you know I love black lips. So that's what I'm going to do, and let's start with what I'm going to do first. So this is a shade which is pretty light for my skin. I am a dusky person, and this is for somebody who's somewhere from dusky to fairish skin. So this will be perfect because I need to lighten this area a little bit more. So I'm going to use this light color foundation and put it in the center of my face, on my cheekbones, on my forehead and on my chin, and then I'm going to blend it by using a sponge. I'm not very much worried about the edges of my face because I'm going to cover it up with a black eyeliner pen and make a lot of hair-like strokes. Now I'm focusing on my eyes. I'm taking this grey pencil and I'm drawing an outline of a rough structure where I would want the eye shape to go, and then I will use a black pencil later in the video and darken it up. Right now this is just a very rough way in which I can know where I'll add the shadows and where all the shape will go. So this is the rough sketch. Now I'm just going to make these eyebrows, and for that I'm actually going to use my black kajal. This was grey. I'm going to use black now. So I'm going over the same areas that we outlined earlier and darkening them up with this black kajal pencil, and I'll use a brush later and an black eyeshadow later, and smoothen out the harsh edges a little bit more, blend out the harsh edges of this black liner. Now I'm going to fill in that gap between my eyebrow and the line that I drew, and I'm just going to fill it up with this black kajal pencil. I'm going to use an eyeliner pencil actually to make some of these brush strokes. See, like this. So I'm going to make some hair kind of thing. So these hair like brush strokes were not looking very natural, so I took a mascara and actually brushed up my natural eyebrow hairs, and then I went back with an eyeliner pen and exaggerated them a little bit more. Next, I am going to further extend the hair-like strokes down my nose. So I'm just looking back into my reference picture and trying to mimic however it is done in that picture itself. Now I'm trying to make that cute little black snout. Now I'm going to take this brown eyeshadow and create shadows all around my eye, below my lash line and also on my lid. I'm trying to blend out that harsh line, and I'm also putting it in the crease of my eye socket. I'm taking a black eyeshadow on a very small brush and putting it very close to that black kajal line, and again blending it out with the brown eyeshadow, as you can see me here. I do not want that harsh black line, I want it to be a little bit diffused, so that's why I'm taking that brown and black shadow a little further down my cheeks. I'm taking a black pencil, kajal pencil again, and lining my lips because I want a black lip color, and since that was not very dark, I wanted a little bit more darker lip. I went back with the eyeliner pen. Now I'm going to start contouring my face. I'm using a flat kind of large brush and using a black eyeshadow and going around the perimeter of my face. I'm trying to use the brush in a way that it creates large strokes towards my face so that it looks like there's a lot of hair basically. Now I'm again going back with the eyeliner pen and creating brush strokes so that it looks like there are hair in there. Also focusing a little bit more on my forehead and in the middle of my forehead, as you will see right now, Now I just wanted to bronze up my face a little bit, so I just took a little bit of bronzer so that all that black and all the brush strokes blend in. Then I took a highlighter so that the cheekbone areas of my face would look a little bit more higher. And then I again took the eyeliner pen and went all down my cheeks, and like you see me creating more hair-like illusion on my chin. All of this was there in the reference picture, so I just tried to make it as close to that as possible. Then I wanted to add a few whisker spots, I would say, near my nose, around my nose. Then I took a white eye pencil and put it towards that little gap which we had near the eye. now I need to click a picture, but before that I need to pee. I think I like how this is looking. I look wolfish, right? Yeah, I hope so, because it's been 2 hours and I'm tired. Now I'm just going to put that adhesive glue, danger adhesive glue, and put that on my canine, and I'm going to press it down with my finger and wait for a few minutes before I feel that it is steady enough, and doing it for my other tooth as well. Thank you so much for watching, it means a lot, and I will see you in the next one.